I'm in a public lobby trolling as a baby in Animal Company. Tell me to get a life.
Wait, pause. Before we get into the actual video, make sure you like and subscribe real quick, cause I'm just a small content creator trying to do big videos, and they're not really going viral, so I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. So yeah.
Please.
Hey guys, who wants to go to the new office map?
I'm trolling as a baby in Animal Company. I'm not trying to go to the office map.
Yo,
Ooh, it's a baby.
Nothing in there though.
I could be one of those
Yo,
ghosts.
Many, blue. Hey, black, flash, blue.
We go baby
Hey,
troll.
Blue, Pete. I guess you're like.
Does anybody want to be my friend?
Can anyone?
Oh,
you want to be on my team?
When?
I want to be on your team.
What? Do you want to be my friend?
Cheeks.
What the heck?
No.
You a poopy face. Black. You a poopy face.
You've been mean to me.
Okay. You a poopy face. Poopy face.
Guys, I'm gonna go another lobby and ask people for donations.
22561 for the war.
Everyone in here is getting banned in 4 seconds.
It's refilled.
You're gonna be banned.
Look, fire
You're gonna be banned. You're gonna be banned. You're gonna be banned because I have the pickaxe of holy.
How do you do that?
You have to press Y and then shoot.
Oh, I have the pickaxe of holy.
Why and
Have that one.
Okay, you can reload it.
Give me bomb.
Okay.
I swear to God, I'm getting bomb.
Oh no, it's already reloaded. Okay. You're gonna hold on.
We're also stealing. Can someone?
Why? Don't give it to him. Don't give it to him. Why? Don't give it to him.
I know.
I'm saying that I'll give
Can
it.
someone?
Wait, bro.
Everyone's.
Can you give me? Can you turn that off? Can you turn that off?
No.
I can't.
Keep it
Yeah,
on.
Go on, do this. Go on, do this.
He doesn't want it.
Yo, what do you want?
Oh, those.
Hi guys, let's go mining.
Mining. I like miners.
What?
What the fuck? Someone's gonna shoot us.
Wait for me.
Who wants to go mining with me?
Great. Let's go mining in sewers.
Okay,
you
let's
got
go
lights?
mining. Let's go mining.
Oh, can you give me a bag?
Take that.
Thanks.
Oh.
Yeah, I can buy those, but I don't have enough. Look. I pour.
Womp womp.
Pour.
Okay. No. I mean, we trolled as a kid. We did have the kind of mini game set on. So, I'll give that to us. Wait. The hell will we have the varsity set? Part 2 coming soon.